Let's do a lazy girl hair tutorial. Here's the stuff you're gonna need. You're gonna need a brush, some bobby pins, some hair cream, and a scrunchie. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm using water directly from my sink. You need to get your hair a little bit wet so you can work through it nice without getting snagged and tangled. So we're gonna part the hair kind of catty corner, and you don't wanna rip through your curls. Remember to pull them nice and gently, like this is your hair. Oh yeah, I also put on a robe because I didn't want any water or product getting on my clothes. So yeah, you're gonna take some of this hair sorbet and take a section, and we're gonna flat twist it to your head. I like to take my brush and smooth out the front of my head so the flat twist isn't all curled up. To do your flat twist, you just want to start twisting and slicing with one finger on your scalp, if that makes sense. I hope it does. It's kind of hard, but not really. Now you're gonna make a slice behind that section, also a little bit catty corner, and we're gonna do this in front of our ears. Both of these sections are in front of the ears. And then you flat twist this one the other direction. This direction is a little harder for me to flat twist, but you continue to slice in the scalp and twist. You don't have to do what I do, but I like the design of this. So next we're gonna take the larger portion of our hair, wet some of that up, but take some little sections out so you can have your little curls out. We're going for a kind of messy bun look, but a curled messy bun. Then you're gonna take your ponytail and you wanna put your flat twist in the ponytail. I like to twirl them a few times to get them a little tighter. And then once you secure the ponytail, we're gonna put it in a bun, and that's where our bobby pins come in. My hair is super duper dry, so I have to use a lot of water and product to get it curled again. But when it comes to the bun, I want to leave some curls out because it is a messy bun, and I do like the look of a couple of curl strands out of it. So then I'm just going to wrap it and pin it in place with my bobby pins. And now I'm just rehydrating the little curled parts that I put out of the bun and out of my hairline in the back. And this is the finished look.